Hello everyone. Hello. If you can see, it's rainy day. It's rainy day. It's rainy night. It's rainy night, guys. Time check. It's 4 4:40 in the afternoon. But you can see, it's dark now. It's getting dark. It's dark, not totally dark. May ilaw na. Ito po yung unang the first Monday of November. 4 o'clock pa lang dito, guys, madilim na. Kaya ina-adjust namin yung oras namin po backward 1 hour. Backward 1 hour. Kasi 4 o'clock madilim na po dito. Kasi papunta na sa winter. Talaga ganito na lang po, short days. During the day, short hour na lang. Then gabi, mahaba-haba. Ito, pag hindi kukunin ito, matatabunan na lang na snow. Opo, pag hindi linisan. Yan na po, oh. Look like 7 o'clock na ng gabi. Wala pala 5. As you can see, nakakatakot. Nakakatakot maglakad. Paano nang may snow? Ay, yung snow naman po, kasi maputi yun. So, magiging siya, maliwanag iyong daanan. Kasi maputi. For now, look, it's too dark. Opo, ganito po ang season dito. Season number 2. Season number 2. After Halloween, dito na. Getting dark. 4 o'clock pa lang, dark na. Dark. So, too much electric. Too much electric. Ating babayarin. Diba? Kasi mas mahaba yung gabi kaysa araw. Alright. Ang dahon, nandiyan pa rin ang dahon. Umuulan guys. Umuulan. Wow. It's rainy day. It's rainy day. Walking. Nani, stop walking, guys. Come on, guys. Alright. Ayan. Gabi na talaga. Gabi na. Ay. Ito ang pinaka-worst na season. Opo. Pag pumasok na November, yan na. It's getting dark na. Tignan nyo yung bata, guys, oh. Umuulan, naki-stroller. Pinupush yung nanay. Ganyan po dito, guys. Pag may maliliit kayong mga anak, i-push nyo yan. Push na push, kahit maraming snow, umuulan. Opo. Pag marami naman snow, no choice. You need to push and push hanggang makarating kayo sa pupurunan nyo. Opo. Mahirap may bata dito, guys. Dadali mo sa daycare. Pag maliit, siyempre walang mag-aalaga para ikaw makapasok sa trabaho, para may parang kikita ka naman, pambayad ng bills, pambayad ng lahat, pambili ng kangkanin, makakain. Ganun po, guys. So po, mahirap na masarap. Mahirap na masarap. Lahat naman ay mahirap. Daan muna tayo sa mahirap, then bago ka magsarap. Ay, so crazy. What the? Ang dami ng ilaw. Gabi na talaga guys. Hindi na mapipigilan. Ay. 5 o'clock pa lang. 5 o'clock pa lang ng hapon. Madilim na. Ito po ang sinasabi nila. Second season, ha? Second season. Alright. Ang dahon. Nasa park muna po tayo. Dumaan tayo sa park. Oo. Wala na. Madilim na talaga guys. Short day. During the day, short hour na lang. Umiksi ang araw during the day. Ang gabi ay mas mahaba na. Opo. Pero sa gabi masarap matulog. Lalo pag may kayap ka pa. Lamig ng panahon. Ay. I miss that. I'm so crazy. Ano ba yan? Lala. Walang kayakap guys. Pag malamig. Unan-unan na lang. Diba? It's crazy. Thank you for watching. Naging multo na tayo. Thank you for watching guys. Bye for now. Bye. See you later alligator. Bye bye.